What YuNi does. From passively captured system events, YuNi assembles and displays business relationships in cartoon-like graphical imagery that invokes the user's innate, instinctive responses, providing simple, universally recognizable meaning to its users. YuNi captures, preserves, and shares relationship intuition, which is vital to every business and every organization. Let's look at a typical account inquiry without YuNi installed. In order to see a comprehensive profile of an account, many systems require the user to navigate through many screens. For new or unfamiliar users, this can be very difficult, especially when a client or a vendor or another staffer is waiting for a response. Now let's look at a typical account inquiry with YuNi installed. Whenever YuNi detects an incoming or outgoing call on the phone system, or when an inquiry of any kind is performed on the host's information system, YuNi automatically assembles and displays a comprehensive profile of that account, including the account's most frequent contacts in the company.
Oh, hello, Ms. LaBelle. How are you today? And how, may I ask, are those beautiful little puppies doing?
YuNi consolidates all the screens and all the data that make up a business relationship and composes them into biographical imagery that anyone and everyone in the organization can understand. Relationship intuition, the mind's eye of business relationships. We're going to look at a dozen or so images here and observe how much faster your mind interprets images than words and numbers. Even at that speed, your mind's eye can determine what's correct from what's incorrect. It's also interesting to see how the mind's eye reacts to the use of background images in clarifying information. So what's the problem? Why do businesses and organizations need a utility like YuNi? The next generation of system users are increasingly image-driven, but business systems are still delivering volumes of numerical, word, and statistical data that take too long to tell the story or to relate the status. Companies and organizations are highly vulnerable to the loss of intuitive relationship knowledge. Key personnel quit, get promoted, go on vacation, or are simply not available, and all of their relationship intuition leaves with them. It commonly takes weeks, months, even years for newcomers to become fully productive until they accrue intuitive familiarity with all of the relationships of both insiders and outsiders of the company. Business is now an international, multilingual, multicultural theater that needs to communicate status and relationships across those boundaries quickly and accurately. Systems need to affirmatively and effectively assist handicapped and reluctant users in achieving system fluency and efficiency. In most systems, client profiles are usually one-dimensional and do not relate the tenure, age, history, mitigating issues, demographics, or other meaningful attributes of that entity. Client representations that are not based on transactional real-time events and whose information is outdated can result in overreaction or underreaction. YuNi's solution to these problems is to capture, preserve, and share the relationship intuition. YuNi operates on a separate system server, either over the internet or as an intranet in-house. It integrates to the host information system and to the host PBX phone system. YuNi operates on a separate tandem monitor and has no impact whatsoever on the host operating system. YuNi provides standard and industry-specialized image libraries. These image libraries can be customized to accommodate any style, culture, or sensitivities of that business. One of YuNi's more advanced functions is its ability to record a disposition from a phone call or other contact. If the user wants to record an exceptional attitude, conclusion, demeanor, or other disposition from that event, they can simply select the disposition key, choose a disposition category, indicate the degree of that disposition, and then record that event, making it an instant and permanent part of the relationship history. YuNi also ages and blends all such dispositions to assure a balanced profile of that entity. As those dispositions age over hours, days, or weeks, YuNi automatically updates them based on user-defined rules. YuNi is a simple solution, but with profound benefits. It preserves relationship intuition. It prevents losses from absences. It improves employee competency and productivity. It bridges language and culture barriers. It refreshes the user's perspective between calls. It enhances customer satisfaction by expressing familiarity with their history. YuNi offers aged and weighted profile accuracy. It requires little or no data conversion at startup. It's fully secure with no actual client ID exposed. It reduces impact of personnel changes. It offers graphical modernization to text-based legacy systems. It enables and encourages handicapped personnel. YuNi expands personnel versatility in smaller organizations. It allows for smarter, informed vendor and resource selection. It maintains corporate policy and sensitivities. It prevents overreaction and underreaction for incidents. And it provides excellent immediate return on investment. Let's look at YuNi's cost-value proposition. The annual subscription is $695 per user seat. That's less than 1% of a $60,000 median average salary. For new, repositioned, and even existing employees, YuNi anticipates a 30 to 50% increase in user efficiency, confidence, and job satisfaction. On a $60,000 median salary, YuNi can redeem over $15,000 in efficiency loss. That's greater than a 20x return on investment. YuNi protects your company's invaluable relationship intuition. YuNi extends your customers' satisfaction, comfort, and protects revenues. Technology-wise, YuNi operates on a conventional operating platform on an independent intranet or internet server using Microsoft SQL, ASP.NET, and Azure development environment. Our services include help desk, on-site support. We have standard and industry-specialized imagery templates. We provide implementation services. We have API and database implementation kits for a number of major MIS systems. And we have PBX phone system integration kits for a number of major suppliers. Our licensing is handled on an annual subscription basis, and we give you support credits depending on the size of your application for implementation. We do quarterly billing, we have scaled user volume discounts, and software upgrades are included in our cost. Thank you for your interest in YuNi. We welcome you to see our other videos on how YuNi works and detailed YuNi benefits. And we look forward to your response.